Hey girlies, it's your girl TJ, and we are here with Hermosahair. I am super excited for this install, so let's just get right into it. Y'all, look at these curls. Stop playing. They need to be up on somebody's beach. So I do have their 360 full lace wig, which comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. It is 220% in density and 24 inches. This is the overall construction of the unit. It comes with the elastic band as well. My favorite part of this wig is the hidden straps. Y'all probably like, where the straps at? They right there. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna pull them out in a minute. This, y'all know how sometimes you be hot, like you like your hair all down, it's cute, whatever, but you hot, you want to put it up in a ponytail. This feature allows you to do that. Do y'all see these curls? Do y'all see these freaking curls? Stop playing with Hermosa, okay? So yeah, I'm just showing you guys you can part pretty much anywhere in the back of that wig. Y'all see how it's giving scalp? Make sure you do have an HD wig cap on, and make sure you tend it to your complexion, because if you don't, it's not gonna get that scalp effect. I'm just putting it up in a little messy bun. Y'all see that? Using my lace tinting spray in the shade Light Warm Brown by Red by Kisses, we're going to go in and make sure everything matches our skin complexion. Now, you don't have to worry about the center because that lace material is different. So the front and mid to nape is where you need to focus that spray on. All right, let's get her on. We got to see what she's giving straight out the box. Okay, I didn't wash or condition this hair. Now, this hair probably actually need a co-wash because it has been sitting in the package for a hot minute. So that's neither here nor there. But look at this. She's giving scalp straight out the mother freaking box. I'm going to start off with customizing the lace. I like for my wigs to fit ear to ear, so any extra lace I need to take off. So I do make a part right along my ear, like right along the top of my ear, and it should look like this. And then I take my scissors and cut right on that line and cut around my ear. This is gonna help it sit nice and flat and not on your ear, because that's gonna hurt. Ouch. Look how it looks. We're just gonna trim off a little bit more of that lace. This step is optional. We got to secure this wig down using our lace spray. And today we have to layer up, because when I say it's hot outside, it's hot. Somebody said we didn't skip summer and went straight to HELL. And I was cracking up, but on some real stuff, why is it so hot outside this summer? What? So I am layering her up and do about 3-4 layers, allowing that to get tacky. And then we're just going to align that wig before we place that product. Please make sure the product is tacky, okay? Now, I went to Torget the other day, and I bought this new blow dryer, okay? Now, I don't need no more blow dryers, okay? I don't need any of that. But Andis, I was like, Andis got blow dryers? When I tell y'all that bad boy is hot, it's hot. I love that blow dryer. So I had to turn it down on the cool heat and set it up because it was drying too fast for me. So I'm doing another section, and look at this. Why is this giving scalp? Do y'all not see how this is giving scalp? It melted into my skin like freaking butter. And this is HD transparent, okay? It's giving realness, rawness, HD. All right, so let's do this messy bun. Let's see what she gives. I'm putting her into a little pony, and I've never did, like, I don't mess with the back of my head. I just leave the, it flopping in the back. But look at this. I'm gonna adjust the comb, put that comb in, and baby, look at this. Look at the little baby hairs. Look how natural that looks. It's just a messy bun. But y'all know I said it was hot outside. So since it's hot, I'm going to go in and attempt to like secure this down. So I'm just spraying that spray all over the back of my head because I can't see, have no clue what I'm doing. We're going to let that dry down. But it's okay because we can put the elastic band on and help it melt. All right, so now it's time to melt everything down. I'm using these bands I bought from Target. I forgot the name, but I'll link it in the description section. And we're going to use Hermosa as well. And we're going to leave that on for about 10 minutes. And boom. This is the front, melted and laid, and this is the back. So y'all already know we had to do some baby hairs. What is a wig install for tea without any baby hairs? But it's just gonna be something slight. I couldn't find my 1-inch flat iron that helped me curl my baby hairs this day. So we just free forming it with some Got to Be Goo spray. We're gonna go ahead and show you guys a few styles I'm gonna do with this wig. I'm gonna do a deep side part for a half up and half down, and it's just so refreshing to see the fact that you can actually do a deep side part. Look how far back this part goes, for one, and look at where I'm parting it at. I'm actually parting it on the side of the wig. Like, they gave us that much room. Like, it's a true full lace frontal. I'm just going in with my Andis hot comb that I bought again from Target, which I did not need either. But hey, I'm all for fresh hot combs. So hot combed that down. Now we're just gonna put a little ponytail holder on it, and this is gonna be simple, easy, and quick. I went ahead and defined the part with the Ruby Kisses cream foundation, the level 12, and that is it. Quick, simple, and this is straight out the pad. We gonna do a bun, but I'm gonna put my little twists and touches on it to make it look more little, you know. Y'all, don't come for me. I forgot to hot comb the back of the wig because, yeah, I was trying to do a messy bun and forgot that I hot combed the front of the wig, so don't even come for me. So we just gonna wrap this bun, and like it's a messy bun, so you just do it sloppy as possible and put a scrunchie over it and call it a day. Look at this. Yes. Now when I get hot on the beach and I want to throw my wig up in a little bun, I can do that. I put a little water on the baby hairs that come at the nape of the wig, and then I added this the elastic band that I used to melt with. I just used it as a headband because why not? And then I love when I did it invertedly because I just love the color flow, whatever scheme. Look how cute this is, y'all. Y'all can't tell me that you could go outside like this. Like, yes. Look at this. And I love this color. What are we doing now? Oh, we're gonna go in and style it now, like wearing it down. So we're going in with our unbrush, and we're just gonna brush and detangle the hair. I did get some shedding and snagging during this part. Like I said, I haven't washed or conditioned the hair, and I really feel this unit could have used a co-wash. Granted, it has been sitting up in the package for a while, so yeah, but y'all already know I always say that about curly hair. It needs a co-wash. So I did spray a little bit of my Tresemme hairspray onto the unit, and I'm gonna do my little bumpy bumps that I do in the front. Hot comb the hair down just a little bit in the section, well, in the middle, so I can define my part. And I'm going in with that Ruby Kisses cream foundation again to define that. And boom, you can wear it just like this, your hair blowing in the wind. Just imagine, super cute. I'm going in to define the curls because, of course, what is a curly wig without doing the wet hair look? I'm using my ORS foam wrap lotion to do this part. The most important step is to make sure you get those ends and make sure you get those roots, because y'all know I hot combed it earlier in the root section, because straight hair and the curly hair look does not go together. So make sure you're getting all that foam wrap lotion up there and scrunching it up to get the curls defined. So that is going to be pretty much it for this wig. And when I tell you guys, I'm just so excited. I got a new wig for the summer because she giving summer vacation. She's giving, this is the wig you want to have for the summer. As you guys saw, it's very, very versatile. You can put her up in a pony, which I'm so hype at that fact. I love that. I did get shedding and tangling like I stated before, and I think that's all. So I'm gonna give this unit a 9.5 out of 10. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I will leave all the information in regards to this unit linked down in the description section below. And until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.